Check out that, guys. 17 items deleted. So today is the 15th of April. This is like the most recent client that we have. We got a few more. So if you check out the date of when we post this, we're gonna post like a few more, like in just a few minutes. So yeah, like we're constantly getting, we're constantly getting new results. Had a guy, funny guy, say all our results are old. Well, this is a new video for you, sir. So as you can see, we're getting lots of stuff removed. Okay. Okay, these are all the negative accounts, okay, that we got deleted right there. It says deleted, deleted, deleted. Okay, deleted, deleted. You see? Can you read? Read it. It says deleted. All of it is deleted. All right. These are the account numbers. Can you read? Do you know what account numbers are? That means that's a real account. And the green, where it says deleted, can you read it? That means it's deleted. Okay? So if you want stuff deleted off your credit, then give us a call. Check out our website. All right? There. Look at that. The scores are increasing constantly.